Namaste yogis, welcome to Doing Stuff with Tash. Today we're going to make mat cleaner. Now I thought I already filmed something like this before, but I can't for the life of me find the footage, and maybe I uploaded it, but I can't find it there, so I'm going to do it again. I will eventually get to doing some proper yoga asana videos with you very soon. I've just got to wait for the weather to not be either too hot or too wet. And I think today might be the day. After this, first we're going to make some mat cleaner. So this is the cleaner that we use in our studio. And actually it was introduced to me by one of my wonderful yoga teachers, Mariana. And this recipe is on our Facebook page with her showing you how to do it. But I thought I should share it with the yoga people out on Facebook, on YouTube. And there's plenty of mat cleaner recipes out there. This one is super simple. It smells delicious. It's natural and it does a good job. So when I didn't have mat cleaner, the mats did tend to smell like feet a lot, and the mat cleaner definitely helps to get rid of that feet smell and also just keep our mats in tip-top condition. And it's nice to have a nice clean mat to put your face on, right? So all you need is some distilled water. I've got a couple of bottles here because I'm going to fill this one up because we go through quite a lot of it. Some witch hazel extract, and this is an empty bottle. This is what we use to spritz our mats in the studio. And then I've got three lovely oils. Peppermint oil, that's lavender, peppermint, and tea tree. Tea tree has that antiseptic, antibacterial properties in it. Actually, lavender does as well a little bit. Peppermint's just delicious and uplifting. So you can use any oils you like, but this is the combination that Mariana made for us, and everyone always comments on how delicious our mat cleaner smells. And also, as a bonus, you can spritz your room with it because it's a lovely smell. And sometimes, just on the sly, when I'm feeling a bit whiffy from teaching a few classes, I'll actually use it as an underarm deodorant. It works! So it's like multi-purpose. Don't just clean your mat, clean yourself. And it's really easy. I've got one bottle here, I think with about 2/3 full of water, more or less. You don't have to be super precise. You don't need the measuring cups. Who needs that? So we're going to fill this up, but we're also going to fill this one up here so I can take it into the studio. So 2/3 of distilled still natural water. I reckon that looks about right. I love blue glass bottles. There's just something about blue glass that's so magical. Love it. So these are ready to go. And then you're just going to fill up. I don't know if I don't suppose I need to shake witch hazel. But just in case, we'll tip it up and back again. And we're going to fill up the rest of these bottles. Oh, I made a bubble. With our witch hazel extract. Ooh, yes. Riveting, I know, riveting television right now. That'll do. And I'll fill this one. That will do. And then it's essential oil time, so I could fill that up actually with water now. I can't see how much is in there, but I'm guessing I could probably fill that up with water and turn that into another stockpile, but I'll just stick it to the side. We're going to put in our tea tree oil first, our lovely antiseptic, antibacterial. And for a little bottle, maybe 4 or 5 drops, 3, 4, 5. And for a big bottle, I'm going to double or triple. I have no idea how many drops that is, but let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and call that a day. And then we're going to go peppermint oil, 4 or 5 drops, 5 or 6, whatever takes your fancy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 for luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, whatever, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can have a whiff later and see if there's enough. You don't have to go over the top with it. It's really about the fragrance, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, I got carried away with my counting. And then pop the cap on. Give it a little mix up. I love watching the oil bubbles. Oh my God, that looks so cool. Can you see that? That looks so cool. Little bubbles. And eventually that will mix down and homogenize. That looks amazing. I've usually just put them in these beautiful blue glass. And I've got a nice little spritzer. It's so fragrant right now. Give it a good shake up and you're good to go. Hey, well that was anticlimactical. Why does my spritzy not work? Obviously I need some new pumps. Oh, there we go. Just got to get the liquid up. Oh, smells good. Very witch hazel-y. It's a different kind of witch hazel to the one I had before, but maybe I'll add more peppermint in that one. Ooh, it's quite strong with the old lavender and tea tree. So I'm going to add a little bit more peppermint. And we'll have a sniff of the big bottle. Give it a good shake. So good. Yeah, of course you can use any oils you want. I've got some rose geranium here, which we put in our little ceramic burner in the studio, and it's beautiful. Very feminine though, so I like to mix it up so that the men don't feel overpowered with the feminine essences going around. Oh yeah, that was good. The extra peppermint, definitely I recommend. Let's have a sniff. It's delicious. So there you go. It is the easiest way to make mat cleaner. And it's natural, it's safe, it works beautifully. You just spritz your mats, get a little clean cloth and give it a good wipe down, a good dry off, roll it up, you're good to go. No feet smells, no yucky, sweaty body smells. Perfect. I'll see you again in the next video. Have a lovely day. If you like what we have to offer here at the Yoga Pantry, click that subscribe button and ping the little notification bell so that you find out when we put our videos out. And I try to be regular, I try to do it weekly, but I do apologize, I've been quite slack lately. You will see more of me soon. Namaste.